After a successful mission of Chandrayaan-3, the next one was Aditya L1. Looks like ISRO is no behind in competition with the other space industries. Nowadays, it is launching rockets back to back with an ease, like an automotive industry launches their cars. Take a look here, a scaled replica of the launch vehicle. The prints came out well, but sanding improved its finish. After all polishing and paint job, it was time for decaling. And here is how the finished model looks like. Now we are not only chasing the moon, but with this mission, the sun too. Yet another proud moment for all of us. Feel free to share the latest progress of the mission in the comment box below. If you like what we do, please subscribe us and don't forget to share it with others. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.